The 2024 Corvette Stingray 3LT Z51 is the kind of car that turns heads before you even hit the ignition. Finished in a bold rapid blue with sleek carbon flash stripes, it looks fast standing still, but make no mistake, this one's built to move. With a professionally installed Lingenfelter supercharger, it cranks out a jaw-dropping 720 horsepower, giving it supercar-level performance with a sound that'll send shivers down your spine. Every angle is sharp and intentional. Carbon fiber aero, a high-wing spoiler, and Forgeline wheels wrapped in sticky Michelin tires give it presence and purpose. Step inside, and you're met with a sea of rich tension and Twilight Blue leather, GT2 bucket seats, and just the right mix of luxury and tech. From the magnetic ride control to the front lift system, it's as comfortable around town as it is carving up back roads. With under 100 miles, this isn't just a car, it's an experience waiting to happen.